Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the hydraulic pump on Audi A6 C4 2.4 petrol. The hydraulic pump is located on top of the engine, just there, so we need to remove the coil pack and we'll get access to the hydraulic pump. In order to remove the hydraulic pump, I need to remove the serpentine belt, which I've removed in another video, you can see it. And then we need to remove the hydraulic pump pulley so that we can get access to the bolts of the hydraulic pump. I put this bracket on the pulley so that it holds it still well. I try to tighten and unscrew the bolts. After we remove the bolts, we can remove the pulley. Sometimes though the pulley is stuck, so we might need a pry bar so that we can pry it out. We have to, of course, be careful not to break the pulley, because afterwards we have to change it. After a while of prying it out, the pulley came out. After we remove the pulley, we can disconnect the two hydraulic lines that go into the hydraulic pump. One is the high pressure hydraulic line, the other one is the low pressure line. Next we can remove the couple of bolts that hold the hydraulic pump to the engine. There's 2 or 3 bolts on the front of the hydraulic pump, and then there is 1 bolt on top, just underneath the coil pack. Now that we removed all the bolts that hold the hydraulic pump, we can disconnect the low pressure line, the hose, which can only be disconnected when we move the pump out, and when we disconnect the low pressure line, we can just take out the hydraulic pump and put on the new pump. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel.